Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Today, we're just going to work on some reading comprehension and test taking strategies in order to prepare for our upcoming finals. So, the passage today is Liger or Tigon. What do you call an animal that is half tiger and half lion? A liger or a tigon? You. Rather than one or the other, both of these terms are correct. A liger has a lion father and a tiger mother, whereas a tigon has a tiger father and a lion mother. Although these hybrid felines are often confused, they do contain distinct characteristics. Ligers are bigger than tigons, and they are considered the biggest felines in the world. Hercules, a liger in Miami, Florida, is thought to be the largest and weighs over 410 kilograms. That's approximately 904 pounds. His father was a male African lion, and his mother is a female Bengal tigress. Hercules is renowned throughout the United States as well as the world. He has been seen on many daytime television shows such as The Today Show, Good Morning America, and Good Morning America. Ligers are brownish yellow in coloring and have both stripes and muted spots. The stripes are on their backs and the spots are on their bellies. They can make sounds from both lions and, like lions, they are very social. In fact, they have more lion traits than tiger traits. But when it comes to water, they are more like tigers. Ligers, like tigers, are good swimmers. In the box here is a bar graph showing the number of ligers in different countries. You have the United States, China, Germany, South Korea, Russia, South Africa, and United Kingdom. Tigons are deep orange in color and have white bellies. They resemble tigers more than lions. Tigons can roar like a tiger and growl like a lion. Like ligers, they have both spots and stripes. Tigons are smaller than ligers and have a tendency to be smaller than their parents. They enjoy both swimming and socializing. Tigers are not as common as ligers. The dangers of crossbreeding. There are many dangers that come with crossbreeding. Because of this, activists are trying to outlaw the creation of ligers and tigons. These types of hybrid arrive with a bigger risk of diseases. These diseases include cancer, arthritis, and depression. Tigons run the risk of dwarfism, whereas ligers may develop giantism. Most crossbred cats in the United States are found in private zoos. Activists claim they are only bred to milk money from tourists. They are hoping that someday this crossbreeding practice will end. The benefits of crossbreeding. Although the voices of the activists against hybrid animals ring loud and clear, there are also those who are in favor of this type of crossbreeding. They believe that visitors have become bored with the typical zoo animals and have moved on to other weekend activities like amusement parks, where they can satisfy their desires for thrills and excitement. They argue that these tourists are finding their way back to zoos because of crossbred animals like ligers and tigons. These animals provide that excitement for the new and exotic. They also point out that money made from these new tourists help to feed and take care of all the animals in the zoo. So, in essence, the ligers and tigons are actually improving the lives of all animals. Which argument has the most merit? It's up to you to decide. Now, your activity or your Yeah, your activity, now that you've listened to me read the passage, is to answer the questions. Make sure you use the highlighting tool above, and I'll show you. This is the highlighting tool, and you can choose the color to answer the questions. Follow the directions, and when you get down to number 10, you have to use two different colors. You have to use the yellow and the green. And if you click on the highlighter, as I showed you before, you can change the different colors with it. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.